In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Uber Eats website and guide you on how to sign out of your account quickly and efficiently. Whether you're done enjoying your favorite meal or simply want to ensure the security of your account, it's important to know how to log out of your session correctly. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type in the URL www.ubereats.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Uber Eats homepage where you can view various restaurant offerings, explore menus, or make a fresh order. It's the central hub of everything delicious that Uber Eats has to offer. Once you're on the website, take a look at the top left corner of the page. You'll notice an icon often referred to as the hamburger menu, which is represented by three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This icon is a universal symbol in the digital world for menus and is typically where you can access the main navigation. Click on this icon to open up the menu options. This action unfurls a sidebar or drop-down menu featuring various selections including your account settings. Now that the menu has expanded, scroll through the options displayed to you. Amidst the choices, you'll find the Sign Out option. It's usually positioned toward the bottom of the list, easy to identify, but just far enough down not to be mistakenly clicked on during your browsing. Clicking the Sign Out button will log you out of your Uber Eats account. This is a vital step to ensure your personal data and any saved preferences aren't accessed by unauthorized users, especially if you're using a shared or public device. Be sure you're absolutely certain you want to log out before clicking the button, as it will end your current session and you'd have to log back in to place orders or access your account details. Remember, signing out after use is a good habit to foster as it secures your account against potential security breaches or undesired alterations. That's it. You've successfully navigated through the Uber Eats website and logged out of your account. Keeping track of such small yet significant actions can enhance your online safety and overall experience with any service. If logging back in, don't forget to have your credentials handy. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tutorials that make your digital life simpler and more secure.